Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, then welcome, and if you're back, welcome back. It's very nice to have you here. For today's video, which is also the last video before 2025 ends, I am going to be speaking about 35 things that you can be grateful for without feeling like you're settling for things. This is going to be a long video because I'm going to be explaining the things that we can be grateful for. And I really hope it's not too long so I don't have to edit too much. I have my phone here and I will be using the notes in my phone to talk about the things that I will be sharing regarding gratefulness today. Before we begin the video, please do like the video, please do share the video, and please comment below any suggestions, any thoughts, any feelings that you want to express. And do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And now let's get into the video. The first three things that you can be grateful for is food, clothing, and shelter. Now, before we get really concretely into this video, मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूँगी कि अगर आप यहाँ तक आ चुके हैं, if you've watched the video so far, it's not wrong to assume कि you are certainly privileged. आपके पास एटलीस्ट थोड़ा प्रिविलेज है कि आप आज इंटरनेट का इस्तेमाल करके यूट्यूब पर मेरा वीडियो देख पा रहे हैं. इसका मतलब ये है कि आपके पास थोड़ा तो प्रिविलेज है, जैसे मेरे पास भी है, क्योंकि मैं वीडियो बना पा रही हूँ, टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल कर पा रही हूँ, इंटरनेट यूज़ कर पा रही हूँ. मेरे पास भी प्रिविलेज है. वी आर गोइंग टू बी टॉकिंग अबाउट दीज थिंग्स एंड वी आर गोइंग टू बी trying to feel grateful for things that we take for granted. तो पहली तीन चीज़ें बेसिक जिनके लिए हम ग्रेटफुल हो सकते हैं इज़ फूड, क्लोथिंग एंड शेल्टर. शेल्टर शेल्टर मतलब रोटी, कपड़ा और मकान. ये तीन चीज़ें तो हमारे पास है ही. मोस्टली जो देख रहे हैं उनके पास शायद ये चीज़ें होंगी ही. द नेक्स्ट थिंग टू बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर इज़ इंटरनेट. क्योंकि अगर इंटरनेट नहीं होता तो आप मुझे नहीं देख पाते, मैं आपके साथ ये वीडियो शेयर नहीं कर पाती, आप चीज़ें नहीं देख पाते, आप पढ़ नहीं पाते, गाने नहीं सुन पाते. आप जो इंटरनेट पे कर रहे हैं वो आप कभी नहीं कर पाते अगर इंटरनेट नहीं होता. आप अपने लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस फ्रेंड्स, बॉयफ्रेंड्स, गर्लफ्रेंड्स, फैमिली, इन सब से कभी बात नहीं कर पाते. देयर वाज नो इंटरनेट. यू वुडंट बी एबल टू कनेक्ट कॉल्स. व्हाट्सएप कॉल करके आप मम्मी से बात नहीं कर पाते, पापा से बात नहीं कर पाते इफ इंटरनेट वाजंट देयर. That's why it's important we be grateful for it. The next two things I think are very important. It's very important for us to be grateful for the access, not just the actual product and service, but the access to technology and the access to education. Education का दर्जा all over the world बहुत छोटा छोटा और नीचे जाने लगा है. ये सबको इस बात से सब वाकिफ हैं. Everyone knows the state of education and the quality of education that has been going and spreading in the world, and everyone knows how harmful it is. Nevertheless, it's better than what most people have. It's always better to have something rather than to have nothing. I think we should all be very grateful that we have the privilege, the ability to have access to technology and basic education, because of which we are here today on YouTube looking at things, talking about the access to education. Please use YouTube for good things. Don't go around the net doom scrolling. Please control your emotions and your attention span. YouTube is a wonderful resource जिसका आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं to learn more things. YouTube is the best place you can find to learn more things for free, to get free knowledge. Please use YouTube to get free knowledge instead of doom scrolling. You are very intelligent. Everyone, जो भी ये वीडियो अभी देख रहे हैं, आप सब बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है. आप जो वीडियो देख रहे हो आप बहुत इंटेलिजेंट हो. तो प्लीज़ यूट्यूब पे ज़्यादा डूम स्क्रॉल मत कीजिए. जो आपको आपके हित के लिए आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं, जो एजुकेशन आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं, वो एजुकेशन आप यूट्यूब के थ्रू लीजिए. यू कैन रीच ग्रेट हाइट्स एंड आप ये कर सकते हैं. तो प्लीज़ प्लीज़ डू इट. ऑलराइट, गेटिंग टू द next thing to be grateful for is being grateful for your physiology, that is your body. I'd like to take an example of a very rare medical condition here. मैंने हाल ही में सुना कि in this world कुछ 10-15 ही लोग हैं जिनको they have this, there are only few 10 or 15 people in this entire world in The entire population, there are only 10 to 15 people who are born without eyelids. They can never close their eyes, and they have to live with medical assistance for their eyesight their entire life. And it's a very painful position physiologically to be in. um, हम सब यहाँ यूट्यूब पे है, इसका मतलब है कि हम अच्छे से देख पा रहे हैं या फिर अच्छे से सुन पा रहे हैं, एंड दैट गोज अ लॉन्ग वे. हम कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकते हैं कैसा लगता है जब किसी के पलकें नहीं होती, या फिर कैन यू इमेजिन बीइंग बोर्न विदाउट आईलिड्स? इट मस्ट बी अ पेनफुल थिंग. तो प्लीज बी वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर योर फिजियोलॉजी, एंड बी ग्रेटफुल कि आपकी बॉडी नो मैटर व्हाट is fighting for you always. That's a motto that I live by, and you'll find it in every single video of mine, and I love to talk about it. So please be very very grateful for it. Be very grateful for your physiology, your body, as a system that functions for you to keep you safe. The next thing, that is the eighth thing to be grateful for, is the brain. People with rare medical conditions end up having a lot of mental stress because they don't have things that are accessible to them, they don't have things that help them. And there are also people in this world जिनको बहुत सारी मानसिक बीमारियां हो है, या फिर वो किसी इतने दर्दनाक हादसे से गुजरे हुए हैं कि they simply can't cope with it. And in circumstances like that, your brain starts to fight against you. Your mind is battling with you. It's at war against you. हम शायद हमें अंदाजा भी नहीं है what it feels like to constantly be hallucinating, to constantly feel like you're under attack. हम सब survival mode में जीते हैं, but that is very minute, that is very superficial. None of us know what it's like to constantly feel like we're being hurt, or we could be hurt, and we could be physically under stress, under pain, because that is how our mind perceives things. So all of us should be very happy that our brain is doing its best to be with us and it's not fighting against us. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है that we give ourselves the discount, we give our brain the discount to rest, क्योंकि we are not a machine, we have things to process. And people, I'm going to get slightly serious here. We're going to talk about trigger warning, we're going to talk about suicide here. Anyone who feels suicidal, please talk to someone, go to therapy. I don't know what position you're in, but if you feel like you need to give up, or if you need to give in, or if you need to die, there are better things for you. You can live through this. And if someone you know is going through that, please try and be there for them. Understand that उस जगह में, उस पोजीशन में होना जहाँ पे आपका दिमाग आप पे गिव अप कर रहा है, आपका माइंड आप पे गिव अप कर रहा है, एंड you are not able to fight the pain anymore. It's a very serious and a painful thing and a painful position to be in, जो हम सब नहीं समझ सकते. Touch wood. I consider myself lucky that I have not been in that position, and I'm eternally grateful for it. लेकिन अब अगर आप जानते हैं किसी को who's going through this, or if you are the one who's going through this, please do something about it. Please go to therapy. Please find someone who you can talk to. And if you want, you can DM me on Instagram. My Instagram handle and my Snapchat handle is given in the description. You can reach out to me. I will try and get you in touch with a therapist that can help. And if you are not sure, I will also be linking mental health helplines, unke numbers and websites in the description. So whoever wants to reach out can reach out. It's the world is kind of falling apart right now. In every part of the world, everything is falling apart. And if you are also falling apart inside your heart and inside your mind, I'm so sorry. You are not alone. You can get through this. You've gotten through so much on your own. You can get through this. Yeah, I'm saying if you're going through this, and if you know someone who's going through this, please tell them, please be there for them in your best capacity. And please do share any information that is necessary for them to be able, for all of us, to help people who need it. That is why, be very grateful for your mind. Be very grateful that your mind is not in a position where it's given up or given into the pain. Be very grateful, you guys. We're all very lucky. The next thing, on a lighter note, pun intended, is music. I think music is the best thing in the world. I think इस दुनिया में संगीत से ज़्यादा अच्छी चीज़ बनी ही नहीं है और कभी बन भी नहीं सकती. Music is also a universal language. Maths जो कहते हैं universal language है. Music is also a universal language. And I don't want to explain it. I just want to reminisce in the feeling of my admiration for music. But music is something all of us can be grateful for. जब हमें बहुत दुख होता है, we listen to sad songs and it helps us cry. Or when we're happy and we dance our heart out to the shittiest or the crappiest song with the best beat in the entire world. That's something, right? I think we should all be very grateful for music. Music, I've written here, मैंने notes में लिखा है. Good music literally, physically and emotionally moves all of us as it should. If you've had a bad day, if you're feeling stuck, you can just try dancing to some music and it'll make you feel better. Music is like having the earliest memory. Maybe you remember your mom singing to you or someone you love singing to you. और अगर आप बहुत घटिया गाते हैं तो maybe you remember your best friend and you singing at the top of your lungs, एकदम घटिया आवाज में, लेकिन क्या मजा आया था. If you remember that, I think you should remember that music is one of the things that has given you so much happiness in this life. So be very grateful for music and keep listening to amazing music. It really helps your life. Please keep listening to music. Please keep listening to good music. Keep making music. Keep making beats. Keep dancing. It doesn't matter what the world thinks. Enjoy yourself in art. Please enjoy yourself in art. The next thing to be grateful for is literature, poetry, and art. Javed Akhtar Sahab, in one of his interviews, I think, with Sapan Verma, said the following, and I have written this down because I want to say it exactly as it is without missing a thing. So Javed Akhtar Sahab, for whoever is watching abroad or who doesn't know who Javed Akhtar Sahab is, Javed Akhtar Sahab is an Indian lyricist who's known for writing one of the most beautiful lyrics to the songs that are most famous in India. And he is also a poet and he is also a literary figure, a very well known one in India. He one time said in one of his interviews, and I quote, art, literature, and poetry are the vocal cords of society. They depict the collective aspiration, the collective sorrow, the collective depression, the collective deprivation, and the collective hope. This means sometimes when we can't articulate or understand our feelings, sometimes when we don't feel brave enough to say it, and we read a piece of literature and it says exactly what we couldn't say at that time. In a time like that, art, literature, poetry, it becomes a helping hand. It becomes the thing that helps you cope with emotions that are too hard for us to understand, that are too hard for us to express. That is why art, literature, and poetry are important, and I think we should be grateful for it. Without all of it, without art, literature, poetry, music, we would be lost. We would be physically lost people. We would have no direction intellectually, academically, emotionally, spiritually. We would not have any direction. Speaking of directions, I think we should be very, very grateful for directions. We should be very grateful for east, west, north, south. We should be happy that we have compasses, and we should be very happy that we have all these names of roads that show us the directions. Because if we didn't have directions, if we didn't have Google Maps or Apple Maps, हम कहीं नहीं जाते, हम कहीं जा ही नहीं सकते थे. It's the advancement of technology in the field of, I don't know what study of directions is called, but if there weren't directions, we would not be able to get anywhere. हम कहीं जा ही नहीं सकते थे. The next thing, and it's my favorite, is being grateful for smile lines, crow's feet, and forehead lines. Forehead lines are these. Can you see these little lines that come on your forehead? It's said that when you have forehead lines, it's because you furrow your eyebrows too much. It's because you have been through a lot of things in life. आप बहुत चीज़ों से, आप बहुत दर्द से गुजरे हो, जिसकी वजह से आप हमेशा स्ट्रेस में, चिंता में रहते थे, जिसकी वजह से आपके फोरहेड पे लाइंस आ जाती हैं. इट्स प्रूफ दैट आप बहुत चीज़ों से गुजरे हैं इस ज़िंदगी में. It's proof, the forehead lines are proof of how much you have survived, how much you have gotten through with whatever grace you knew of. And I think that is so beautiful and very underrated. The next thing I want to talk about is crow's feet that you get like here. Yeah, these are crow's feet, and these are smile lines. Crow's feet and smile lines are proof of how much you've laughed and how much you've smiled through everything with grit and hope and compassion. And I think it's something we all should consider worth counting. The next thing is anger, गुस्सा. हम सबको बहुत, we should be very grateful कि हमें गुस्सा आता है, because the things we are angry about points to the things that we need to address. हम तब गुस्सा होते हैं जब हमें कोई रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करता, हमारा अपमान किया जाता है, या फिर हमें गलत तरह का ट्रीटमेंट हमें मिलती है, और इफ़ वी व्हेन वी ट्रीटेड बैडली, व्हेन वी आर नॉट कंसिडर्ड, व्हेन देयर इज मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग, तब हम बहुत गुस्सा होते हैं. तो एंगर इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि उससे हमें हमारी बाउंड्रीज, हमारे इमोशंस, हमारा ट्रॉमा, ये सब समझ आता है, और बहुत प्यार से, अंडरस्टैंडिंग तरीके से हम ये हेल्दी बाउंड्रीज एनफोर्स कर सकते हैं. And we can understand more about how we want to be treated. Anger teaches you how you want to be treated. That is why anger is important, and that is why it's important also to deal with the anger. It teaches you about issues that are unresolved. Next thing we should be grateful for is sadness. That is because I'm going to read directly from my notes here. Sadness teaches you what you need more of and what you desire more. When you feel envy and when you feel sad कि ओ उनके पास वो है और मेरे पास नहीं है, आपको वो लगता है क्योंकि आपको वो चाहिए. आपका दुख, आपका दर्द, it shows you what you want, it shows you what you need, shows you what you desire. And you can use that, you can use your sadness to get what you want. आपको, आप समझ सकते हो कि you can have this, you can have a certain type of relationship that you desire, you can have a certain type of opportunity जो आप चाहते हैं, एक घर, परिवार, दोस्त, पैसा, शोहरत, दौलत, नाम, ये सब आपको आपको मिल सकता है. आप ये सब, you can have this if only you understand to address the sadness that you feel. आप वो sadness, वो दुख यूज कर सकते हैं to channel that into actually creating a plan of action and executing it to get what you want. The next thing is happiness. We should be grateful for happiness, because happiness teaches you to be in the moment. When we're truly happy, when we're truly genuinely happy, बहुत दिल से जब हम खुश होते हैं, we're in the moment. हम हमेशा we're in the moment. जब हम बहुत खुश होते हैं, हम किसी और चीज़ के बारे में नहीं सोचते, हम बस वहाँ होते हैं उस समय. It teaches you to be in the moment. It teaches you to come back, not to be in the known past or the predictive future. It teaches you to be in the known present, that is right now. The uncertainty of what is happening right now. That is why happiness is important. The 18th thing is health. We should be happy and grateful for our health, because if we don't have our health, we have nothing. Health is wealth, इसीलिए कहा जाता है. जब हम, शायद मैंने ये एग्जाम्पल पहले दिया है किसी वीडियो में, या फिर नहीं दिया होगा, बट आई थॉट अबाउट इट अ लॉट. जब हम तंदुरुस्त होते हैं, तब हमारे दिमाग में चीज़ें चल रही होती कि मुझे ये करना है, वो करना है, यहाँ जाना है, वहाँ जाना है, उससे मिलना है. लेकिन हम जब बीमार होते हैं, तो हमारे दिमाग में एक ही चीज़ होती है, मुझे बस अभी ठीक होना है, ताकि मैं चीज़ें कर सकूँ. अगर हम तंदुरुस्त नहीं हैं, हम अपने सपने कभी अचीव ही नहीं कर पाएंगे. हमारी तंदुरुस्ती, हमारी हेल्थ इज़ द की to success and abundance. So please maintain your health and be very grateful for it. The next thing, that's the 19th thing, is your inner child. मेरा ये मानना है, बहुत strongly मेरा ये मानना है कि deep down, all of us are kids. And all of us as kids are trying to find and make our way into this world. And that's why we should be really happy for the little version of ourselves जो हमारे अंदर, हमारे दिमाग में, हमारे दिल में कहीं है, छुपे हुए है या फिर रूठे हुए है, लेकिन है. हमारा एक छोटा वर्जन है हमारे दिल में, हमारे दिमाग में, जो हमें हमारी सच्ची इच्छा, सच्ची आकांक्षा, सच्चे ख्वाबों के पास ले जाता है. एंड हमारी सच्ची खुशी जो है उसके पास ले जाता है. एंड अगर वो हमारे पास नहीं होता, तो हम बस एक मशीन की तरह रह जाते, सिर्फ चीज़ें करते रहते, बिना कुछ सोचे, बिना समझे, बिना कुछ महसूस किए. It's very important, I think, that we are grateful for our inner child. We all need to heal our inner child and advance that way. लेकिन जो है अभी, उसके लिए भी बहुत grateful होना ज़रूरी है. The next thing is imagination. Imagination is the key to everything. A lot of times this happens to a lot of people. लोग हमेशा बहुत बार बहुत बुरे बुरे सिनेरियोज अपने मन में बना रहे होते हैं, और वो कभी कभी इतने स्ट्रांगली इमेजिन करते हैं कि उनके चेहरे पे दिखने लगता है कि वो कुछ इमेजिन कर रहे हैं, किसी से बात कर रहे हैं अपने दिमाग में. एंड कभी कभी लोग उसकी वजह से रूठ भी जाते हैं, रोने लगते हैं, दर्द उन्हें महसूस होता है, बिकॉज उन्होंने कुछ बहुत बुरा इमेजिन किया, टू अ पॉइंट वेर इट manifested in their body as if it's real. It's not real, but imagination has the power to trick your mind and your body into believing anything is real. जब आप पानी पूरी के बारे में सोचते हैं, तीखा पानी जो होता है, अगर आप तीखे पानी के बारे में सोचे, तो मुंह में पानी आता है ना. मेरे मुंह में अभी पानी आ रहा है, मुंह में पानी आता है ना. It's because your mind can imagine and trick your body into believing anything to be real. And that's why we should be grateful for our imagination. क्योंकि अगर हम कुछ दुख की बात या फिर कुछ बुरा इमेजिन करके रो सकते हैं, तो फिर हम कुछ अच्छा इमेजिन करके हंस खेल भी सकते हैं. जैसे जैसे हम समझने लगते हैं कि इमेजिनेशन कैसे हमें हेल्प कर सकता है, we can train our imagination to think good thoughts and be happy about it, instead of training it to have bad thoughts and be sad about it. The next thing to be grateful for is sleep. It's very underrated, I believe, क्योंकि it's not just rest, it's our body's recharge timing. क्योंकि sleep is a gift. It's a gift. Sleep is safety. अगर हम सो नहीं सकते, that is because we don't feel safe enough to close our eyes and let ourselves rest. If you can sleep, it's because to a degree you feel safe, and that is worth being grateful for. If you have problems sleeping, if you have nightmares or disturbed sleep, ये सब आपको अगर हो रहा है and it's habitual या फिर it's been happening for a long time, if you have insomnia, lots of nightmares, trouble sleeping, disturbances, you should consult a therapist. Please find a good therapist, reach out to them and work on yourself, because you deserve good sleep, you deserve to sleep without nightmares. Your past should not haunt the present resting time that you have. The next thing is in accordance with sleep, which is dreams. I think we should all be very grateful for dreams, the ones that we see when we're asleep and also for the ones that we see when we're awake. अगर हम ख्वाब नहीं देखते तो शायद हमें पता ही नहीं चलता कि हम क्या-क्या कर सकते हैं। जब हम सोचते हैं, हम ऐसा सपना देखते हैं जिसमें हमने आसमान को छुआ है, इट्स बिकॉज़ कहीं न कहीं हम शायद ये सच में बिलीव करते हैं कि हम ये कर सकते हैं, हम आसमान छू सकते हैं। अगर हमने अपने आप में उतना बिलीफ दिखाया, तो वी कैन डू इट, वी कैन हैव दिस, एंड दैट्स व्हाई ड्रीम्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट। ये सब सिर्फ ये फिलोसॉफिकल या रोमांटिसाइज करने की बातें नहीं हैं, लेकिन आप ऐसी ज़िंदगी इमेजिन कर सकते हैं जिसमें आपने कभी कोई सपने ही नहीं देखे, बस चलते जा रहे हैं, चल रही है ज़िंदगी, बीत रही है ज़िंदगी, लेकिन आपने कोई सपने नहीं देखे, अपने आप के लिए नहीं या किसी और के लिए नहीं, बस चल रहे, चल रहे, चल रहे। It will be a boring life, no? So be very, very grateful for dreams. The next thing to be grateful for is a place to sleep. All around the world, in Gaza, in Palestine, in Yemen, in Sudan, and Afghanistan, everywhere. Not just that, in all developed and developing countries, there are people sleeping on the roads and they are not safe. They go to sleep not knowing if they will be killed because they don't have a place to sleep. We have a place to sleep. All of us. You who are watching this video, you have a place to sleep. Be very happy for it. Be grateful for it. Voice is the next thing to be grateful for. We're going to be talking about voice literally and metaphorically. लिटरली कहा जाए तो अगर आपके पास एक आवाज़ है, जैसे मेरे पास आवाज़ है, आप ये इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं टू एक्सप्रेस योरसेल्फ एंड टू स्टैंड अप फॉर योरसेल्फ। लेकिन अगर आपके पास आवाज़ नहीं है, फिर भी यू कैन यूज़ इट, यू कैन यूज़ योर मेटाफोरिकल वॉइस टू स्टैंड अप फॉर योरसेल्फ। आप में वो क्षमता है कि आप कुछ कहें और लोग सुनेंगे, because you have the voice, you have the authority, you have the right to express yourself and to speak freely, and that that right can be exercised only when you realize that you have a voice and you can use it. The next thing to be grateful for is safety. अगर आपने इतना वीडियो देख लिया है, if you've already watched so much of the video, it shows that you probably experience a lot more safety than most of the people in this world. You are physically safe कि आपने इतना वीडियो अभी तक देखा है, आपके पास आप कोई सेफ एनवायरनमेंट में, कोई सेफ घर में हैं या फिर कहीं भी हैं, but you are safe. You don't have to feel like someone's gonna come and get you. A lot of people in this world have to feel that way. लेकिन आपको ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है, आपको ऐसा लगने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. That is why you should also be grateful for your safety. Next thing is your family. Family is not just your blood relations. Lekin if you've got chosen family, if you've got at least one person in this world जिस पर आप रिलाय कर सकते हैं। अगर आपके पास कोई एटलीस्ट एक इंसान है जिसको जो आपको कह सकता है कि आप जाओ करो आपको जो करना है, बाकी सब मैं सँभालूँगी, या फिर बाकी सब मैं सँभालूँगा, मैं हूँ, आप जाओ, I've got your back. If you've got at least one person to say that, you have family. And a lot of times हम सबको लगता है कि क्वांटिटी मैटर्स, कितने लोग हमारे इर्द-गिर्द हैं, दैट मैटर्स। दैट्स नॉट ट्रू। क्वालिटी मैटर्स। इट मैटर्स कि अगर आपके पास एक भी ऐसा परिवार का इंसान है जिसको आप रात को 3 बजे फ़ोन करें और वो आपको मदद करने के लिए आ जाए, there's nothing like it. You've already won the fight, man. You've already got a family. You've got something to be very, very proud of, and you've got something to be very grateful for. The next thing is friendship and friends. Friendship is one of the most beautiful bonds in this world, I think. Because it's this genuine, pure, platonic love that you feel for someone, this companionship that you want to experience with someone. उसमें कुछ भी बुरा नहीं है. The best teams are made out of great friendships. It doesn't matter if it's a sports team, it doesn't matter if it's a couple, it doesn't matter if it's a company. लेकिन जो लोग हैं, जो a company or a group of people that is really happy, it's because they are really good friends. And if you got at least one good friend, you should be very grateful for that. The next thing is YouTube. I think you should be grateful for YouTube. I think all of us should be grateful for YouTube. I know that I am. I am very grateful for YouTube. अगर I if YouTube wasn't there, मैं कभी अपने आप को I couldn't have thought of putting myself out here like this on YouTube. And I'm very grateful that YouTube has given me the opportunity to do that. And through YouTube, I can talk to all of you, help all of you out in whatever ways I can. And through YouTube, I get to learn about so many things. I do a lot of courses on YouTube as well that are available for free, and I really like it. I really love YouTube. The next thing to be grateful for is jewelry and accessories. I firmly believe that our body is a temple and we should decorate it. हमारी बॉडी एक टेम्पल है और हमें उसे बहुत अच्छे से सजाना चाहिए, और कंगन, बालियाँ, ज्वेलरी, एक्सेसरीज, यही सब तो चीज़ें हैं जिससे हम अपने आप को सुंदर बना सकते हैं, जिससे हम अपने आप को एन्जॉय कर सकते हैं, हमारी कंपनी एन्जॉय कर सकते हैं। एंड इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अगर आप एक प्रकार का श्रृंगार करें तो आप एक प्रकार का इंसान बन जाते हैं। आप कुछ और पहन लो तो आप कोई और भी बन सकते हैं, जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। The next thing to be grateful for is memories. Memories are हमारी ज़िंदगी का डेटाबेस। हमारा जो डेटाबेस है मेमोरीज़ का, ब्रेन उस डेटाबेस को एक्सेस करती है और रेफ़र करती है फॉर एनी फ्यूचर चेंजेस, चैलेंजेस, ये सब। Memories is something you can always look back upon and laugh at कि अरे याद है तब मैंने ऐसे किया था, याद है तब ऐसे हुआ था। एंड बहुत अच्छी बात है कि हमारे पास कुछ है जिसको हम देखकर we can be happy about it, we can have good memories about it. बहुत से लोग हैं इस दुनिया में जो डिमेंशिया से या अल्जाइमर से गुजर रहे हैं, जो भूल जाते हैं अपने आप को, सारे जो there's a cat here अपने आप को भूल जाते हैं, या फिर जो अपनी सारी यादें हैं वो सब भूल जाते हैं। लेकिन हम वैसे नहीं हैं। वी हैव दोज़ मेमोरीज़, एट लीस्ट राइट नाउ वी डू। तो जब तक है, जब तक हम हैं, जब तक हमारी यादें हैं, तब तक तो हमें उसे चेरिश करना चाहिए, तब तक वी शुड बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर इट। द नेक्स्ट थिंग टू बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर इज़ money because regardless of what anyone has to say, money is a very essential part of living. It's a very essential part of how we live. and the amount of access and opportunities we have. Unfortunately, that is true. Regardless of what anyone says, पैसे होना is a very big part of the amount of amenities, opportunities, and resources that are accessible to us in life. And it's an essential part of survival. और अगर हम यूट्यूब पर है, अगर हम ये यूट्यूब पे वीडियो देख पा रहे हैं, इसका मतलब है कि हमारे पास थोड़ा तो पैसा है, कुछ ना कुछ तो है जो हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं टू बी बेटर, टू मेक मोर मनी. The 33rd thing to be grateful for is yourself. Most of all, it's the most important, and it's one of the most important, is to be grateful for yourself, because at the end of the day, you always come back to yourself. You only have yourself. हम अकेले आते हैं, अकेले जाते हैं. You've only got yourself, and you got to be really, really grateful for that. And I'm also very grateful that you're here. I'm grateful for you. I just wanted to tell you that. The next thing is to be grateful for plants. All of these pretty little babies. Plants don't just give us energy and food and greenery, but this sort of also like a support system. You know, they're the reason we can see beautiful shades of green. We can look at a very big tree, old tree, and think about the stories that the tree must have witnessed. And at the end of a sad day, you can go and hug a tree and let yourself go in its shade. And I think that is very beautiful. The last thing, the 35th thing to be grateful for is privilege, जो हम सबके पास है. Geographical, societal, financial, professional, all of these privileges. हम यहाँ अभी वीडियो यूट्यूब पर देख पा रहे हैं क्योंकि हम इंडिया में हैं, जहाँ पे कोई हमें बॉम्ब नहीं कर रहा है, जहाँ कोई हमें स्टार्व नहीं कर रहा है, जहाँ कोई हमें मार नहीं रहा है. दैट इज़ जोग्राफिकल प्रिविलेज. सोसाइटल प्रिविलेज, अगर हम यूट्यूब देख पा रहे हैं तो इसका मतलब ये है कि एटलीस्ट कोई तो है इस सोसाइटी में जिन्होंने हमें कम्प्लीटली बैन नहीं किया है, जिन्होंने हमारा रिसोर्स पूरा नहीं लिया है. The next is financial privilege. If we can afford YouTube, we can afford a certain degree of lifestyle जो हमें मिलती है through the hard work that we do. It's something we've earned, sometimes it's something that's passed down, but it is important that we always are considerate of this privilege that we have, and we're grateful for it. And more than being grateful for the privilege, it's important कि हम ये जो privilege है हमारा, we use that to help other people around us to be better people and to help them bring up on the same level as everyone else, because we're all the same. We're all the same people. हम सब we're all in the same boat. हम सब वही पानी पी रहे हैं, हम सब वही फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स खा रहे हैं, हम सब वही हवा से सांस ले रहे हैं जिसका AQI बहुत बहुत ख़राब है. हम सब सेम बोट में हैं. फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ता किसी की जात, किसी का सोशल स्टैंडिंग, ये इससे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. हम सब मरते हैं, हम सब जीते हैं. we all go through problems and we're all in the same boat. कभी भी अपने प्रिविलेज का इस्तेमाल किसी को नीचा दिखाने के लिए मत कीजिए. अगर आपने ये ज़िंदगी में पहले कभी किया है तो प्लीज़ एक्नॉलेज दिस मिस्टेक एंड मेक श्योर यू डोंट डू इट अगेन. लेकिन अगर आपने कभी किया नहीं है तो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर यू नेवर अननोइंगली डू इट टू एनीबॉडी. एंड मेक श्योर कि आप अपना प्रिविलेज यूज़ कर रहे हैं लोगों को भी प्रिविलेज देने के लिए, सो दैट यू कैन हेल्प पीपल एंड मेक देम अवेयर of the privilege that they can also have. Use your power to make other people equally powerful, because we all deserve it. Okay? That's it for today's video, because this is a long video. We talked about a bunch of really dark stuff in this video, and I'm so sorry if it got too serious, but मुझे इसके बारे में बात करनी थी before the year was over, क्योंकि we all have this like two extremities that we function in, either it's too much fun or it's too much stress. लेकिन इन दोनों को balance करने के लिए कोई नहीं होता, and no one, I feel, addresses the real problems or real things that need to be addressed. That is why I felt the need to address things about mental health in this video, things about society and pressures and everything in this video. I really hope कि आपको ये video helpful लगा. I really hope this video resonated with you. I really hope it helped you. If you have anything you want to share with me, please do comment down below. If you want to DM me regarding any suggestions that you have, please DM me, no problem at all. You can DM me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is given below. You can follow me on Snapchat. My Snapchat handle is also given below. I have added the helplines for mental health in my description box. Please do look into it. If you need someone to talk to, please talk to someone. You are not alone. And yes, you deserve better. Yes, you deserve peace. Yes, you deserve happiness. You can have all of it. लेकिन आप मदद मांग के तो देखो, आपको मदद मिल जाएगी. आप ये समझने की कोशिश करिए कि आपकी आपका जेंडर, आपका स्त्री होना या पुरुष होना या फिर ट्रांसजेंडर होना, इट डजंट मैटर. आप भी इंसान हैं, आपको भी दर्द होता है, और आपको भी कोई चाहिए जो आपका दर्द समझे, आपके दर्द के बारे में सुने. Someone who gives you their shoulder to cry on. If you need a shoulder to cry on, please reach out to a therapist. Please reach out to somebody. You're not alone. You gotta take the first step and you gotta save yourself. You are brave enough to do that. Please do it. All right, enough for the serious talk. I am wishing all of you a very, very happy, prosperous, healthy, wealthy, kind, peaceful, fun new year. And I really hope that this year taught you a lot. And I hope that all the mistakes that all of us made this year in 2025, we learned from it and we are better people. And I hope that in 2026, all of us become even better and all of us glow up in ways that we didn't know we could grow up in. And that's it, I think. Yeah. और oh yeah, keep studying and keep having fun. पढ़ते रहिए, सीखते रहिए और मस्ती करते रहिए, क्योंकि मस्ती कभी नहीं रुकनी चाहिए. Okay, that's it for today's video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.